today I am telling you about the foundry shop, and my object is to make a mold of step pulley in foundry shop. First of all, I am telling you about the foundry shop. Foundry shop is a shop in which we produce a product without removal of material. That means foundry shop वो shop होती है जिसमें मुझे मटेरियल विदाउट रिमूव करे फाइनल से प्रोडक्ट को देनी होती है. इसके लिए मैं क्या करता हूँ, अपने सबसे पहले जो मेरा मेटल होता है उसको मोल्ड कराता हूँ मैं फर्नेस में, और उसके बाद क्या करता हूँ, सैंड, मोल्ड बॉक्स और जो फाउंड्री टूल किट होती है और मेरा जो पैटर्न होता है उसके द्वारा मैं किसी भी चीज़ को या किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को प्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ. तो सबसे पहले आज मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो है आपका टू मेक ए मोल्ड ऑफ स्टेप पुली इन फाउंड्री शॉप. ओके, तो दिस इज ए पैटर्न एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पैटर्न वी ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस ए मोल्ड. द डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस पैटर्न इज 40, 60 and last one is 80. The total length of this pattern is 60. It is divided into 3 parts, 20, 20 and 20. Okay, after this we will discuss about the tool and apparatus used to make a mold of step pulley. In this we use the sand, we use the foundry tool kit, we use the mold box and we use the pattern. Okay, after this we discuss about the theory. Theory means about the pattern. Pattern is a replica of desired shape we require. That means मुझे जो भी अपना प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करना है हूबहू उसी की शेप हो, उसको मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, पैटर्न. यू कैन सी हियर पैटर्न इज ए replica और desired shape एज वी रिक्वायर्ड. मुझे इस टाइप की कोई मोल्ड बनाना है तो मैं क्या करूँगा, हूबहू इसी शेप का एक पैटर्न लूँगा. इस पैटर्न की डायमेंशन होंगी अपनी, इसको मैं क्या करूँगा, अपने मोल्ड बॉक्स में सैंड डाल के वहाँ पर प्लेस करा दूंगा और हूबहू यही डायमेंशन की मोल्ड कैविटी बन जाएगी. मोल्ड ऑफ स्टेप पुली. प्रोसीजर टू मेक ए स्टेप पुली पैटर्न इन फाउंड्री शॉप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी यूज ए मोल्ड बॉक्स. दिस इज ए मोल्ड बॉक्स. मोल्ड बॉक्स इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स, कोप, ड्रैग एंड चीक्स. But in the foundry shop we use only 2 parts of mold box. Number first drag and number second cope. Drag means the lower part of the mold box is called drag. It is drag. And the upper part of the mold box is called cope. Clear? In this mold box, that means the lower part of the mold box is also called drag. In this drag we also fill a sand and rammed with the help of the mullet. Okay? And after this we use a pattern. We also required step pulley pattern to produce. Sometime before I told you this is a step pulley pattern. The different diameter, this diameter is 85, this diameter is 60 and this diameter is 40. The length of this step pulley pattern is 20, 20 and 20. Okay, this is pattern of step pulley. After this the step second, we place this pattern in this mold box, that means in the drag. Okay, after this we use cope. Cope is the upper part of mold box and we place this mold box, that means the cope, on the upper portion of drag. Okay, after this we use runner and riser. This is a part of gating system. What is the gating system? Gating system is very simple. In the gating system we also use to flow the molten metal. That means gating system is a passageway through which the molten metal pour in the mold cavity with the help of the runner. Okay, we place this runner at this position and we fill molten metal in this mold cavity, and we use riser at the other end of this pattern. When the molten metal flow over the riser, we knowledge about the mold cavity is filled. Okay, after this we place this gating system, that means the runner and riser, and fill this upper part of this mold box, that means cope, with the help of the sand. After this we fill the mold cavity, that means the upper part of the mold is called cope, with the help of the sand. and we use runner and riser and withdraw the runner and riser and then also hammered with the help of the mullet. The procedure to make a step pulley pattern and foundry saw. What is the step we use in the foundry saw? First step, we use the mold box, okay, and fill the bottom part of the mold box is called the drag with the help of the sand, and we hammer with the help of the mullet of the sand, and we place wooden pattern. That means this wooden pattern we placed in this mold cavity. That means the lower part of the mold drag. Step pulley we placed in the lower part of the mold, and after this step 2 we place the upper part of the mold. It's called cope, and fill the mold cavity. Third point is we use the gating system. That means the passageway, runner and riser. Runner is also used to flow the molten metal in the mold cavity, and riser is used to know about the mold cavity is also filled or not. Okay. Fourth step, after this we complete the mold cavity. That means of this step pulley pattern. Okay. Okay, all of you, very thank you.